My name's Xavier B. Johnson, and this is Diesel Nights. It's finally time. After years in the works, Diesel Nights is finally on Kickstarter. Go head-to-head in teams of 6 in this high-flying Dieselpunk PvP shooter. Wall run, double jump, and call in your own 65-ton armored gunwalker mech to outmaneuver opponents and dominate the battlefield. Diesel Nights is playable in first or third person, with local split screen and single-player challenge modes. Try our playtest on Steam now to see for yourself. But now, we're ready to take the fight online with dedicated servers, an expanded arsenal of original weapons and gadgets, and a brand new full-sized multiplayer map. But we need your help to get it done. If you choose to back this project, you can unlock rewards such as the engraved service pistol, the Wingman Pass, to bring a friend to the fight, or exclusive alpha access. If we can meet or exceed our funding goal, stretch goals will unlock new weapons, new content, and the much-requested PvE co-op mode. So if you're ready to jump into the next mech movement shooter,
now's your chance.
Join the Diesel Nights. Join the fight.